So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make randomized songs in Roblox Studio. So first of all, just go here to the workspace, click on this plus button, add script. In the script, just delete this one and then copy this code, paste it to yourself. And then under script, just add, click on the plus button, search for sound, and then click on sound. After this, click on the sound, and we will have the sound property here in the bottom, in the right bottom. After that, just go back to your Google account, open Roblox in Google, and then search for create.roblox.com store audio. Go for the audio, click on today's new music, or you can choose whatever that you want. Let's say I want this song. Let's click on more info, and then all you have to do is just to copy the code of the song. This is the code ID that we will use. Click on copy. Let's return back to Roblox Studio. Under sound, search for sound ID. As you can see it here, let's paste it, enter it, wait for it, and it's uploaded. Let's run the game and test it. And as you can see, it works fine. And to add another song, just go back here to the script, add sound another time, and do the same process, and it will be generated randomly. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.